Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Raman. In this lecture, we will see the project objective. So the main objective of this project is that to transform our existing monolithic and layered architecture into microservice-based architecture and implement DevOps-driven CI/CD pipeline. So what we will be doing in the DevOps CI/CD pipeline, we are basically doing an automation for our SDLC end to end. So what we are doing here, basically, we are we are doing a code versioning and collaboration so that different developers, those who are working on their branches, when they merge the code into the main branch, there should not be any problem. So code versioning and collaboration. Here we will be using Git and GitHub. Second, build and test automation. So build automation means as soon as developer push the code into the version control system like GitHub, then it should be automatically built. So build automation tool. So in our project, we will be using Maven. Third one is the containerization and the orchestration. For containerization and orchestration, we will be using Docker and Kubernetes. Then we will be using the environment provisioning. So environment provisioning is nothing but how your code will be manage the infrastructure. For that, we will be using Ansible. Next one is continuous deployment. So continuous deployment, we are going to use Jenkins. For test automation, we will be using Selenium for the automatic testing. And for monitoring and alerting, we will be using Prometheus and Grafana. So it will be something like that, our future state, where we are having a GitHub repository. So developer will push the code into the main branch of the GitHub repository. Then Jenkins will take that code and automatically build, automatically test, automatically deploy into certain environment like staging or production environment. And after that, there will be a monitoring, which is through Prometheus and Grafana. So that will be our objective of this project. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.